So guys, hello, don't lose our time. We have only 2 minutes. Right now I will show you what we will do. We will do this great position and which exercise we should do that sit at this position. So we up our legs one by one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Also try to fix this position without your hands. Yes, it may be a little bit hard, but you can try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Cool. Please change position. And right now we will be up another leg. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and also fix this position without your hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so cool. And also try this position. Straight your back, hold this position please. And also our hands take our heels and one by one straight and straight. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Also you can try to do this without your hands, but it's very hard, but you can if you want. Yes. Hold your only back. So thank you so much for doing this fast workout, and I wait your feedback also. Thank you so much for likes, subscribes, and so see you soon. Bye bye.